I'm going to show you 5 Canva apps you can use to edit your YouTube videos, create thumbnail designs, or just use in any creative design project that you may have. These Canva apps will add creative effects and design features to your design, to your project. All right, so let's go into my computer and we'll go over that together. So the first up is Reshape. So you click on apps, you type in Reshape. Reshape helps you to easily adjust the dimensions of elements like photos and text without losing quality. Okay, so you click on the first one, Reshape. Okay, and now we need elements on here. So let's go and find photos. I'll go into elements, click on elements. And I'm going to use this van to show you the example of what I'm talking about. And I'm also going to add a second element here, which is this tiramisu, and it'll make sense in a few seconds. So we go back to apps, we go into apps, type in Reshape, click on Reshape, and you have to click on the element that you want to distort, right? So under Reshape, you have distort, skew, perspective, and wrap. Okay, we want to do distort. The idea is to add this image to this van. But as you can see, the van is it's not straight on, right? It's tilted somewhat. So if you try to put the element on there, it's going to look a little wonky, right? As you can see. So this app, Reshape, helps you to reshape the element so that it fits perfectly on the van. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is extend it. Okay, and I'm going to click on distort. You click on distort, and now you can see you are able to move this element in a way where it could actually fit on this van, even though it's not, straight, even though the van isn't straight. So you just drag and manipulate like so. Until you're happy with it. Okay, so say this is a bakery van. This would be a good way of doing that. See, and you don't even lose the integrity of the image is still intact. Okay, so when you're done with this, all you have to do is click save. Don't forget to click save, right? Because if you don't, then you'll lose your work. And when you click save, a copy of the image is uploaded into your uploads. Okay, so you have that. So let's add a second page and we can try some of the other options here. Go back to elements. We can use the same one, that's fine. Go back into apps. And just so you know, if you've already used an app on Canva, over here on the left, the app will show up, right? It'll be a part of your apps, right? So here it is, Reshape. It's here as well. You can type it in, but it's also here saved for you. So with this one now, let's see what skew looks like, right? See? This is a really good option, you guys. Really good design options. Okay, and I'm going to click cancel. And let's try perspective. And do you see how this makes it look more dynamic? Okay. Just don't forget, if you like a design, then you have to press save or you'll lose your work. And this is called wrap. And there you have it. Just more dynamic movements. Okay. And I'm going to click cancel on that. The next one is mockups, right? We can do video mockups. And I'm just going to add a page here to show you what that looks like. So we just go into apps. We go back to apps, click on apps over here on the left, type in mockups. Click on mockups. And let's say we want to do a video mockup. This is how you would do that. This is actually really cool. We can use this video right here. And you're going to see how cool this is. And you may be wondering what's a mockup, by the way. A mockup is a way of showcasing how your design will look. Go into uploads to insert an image. And let's see. I guess I could use this one. I'm going to use this image. And then we'll just have to wait. So you click on the image and then you just position it over the computer screen. And you just have to wait for it to do its thing. And there you have it. Now, this is what it'll look like. Right? How cool is that? Very nice. And the next app is Frame Maker. Click on Frame Maker. Frame Maker lets you customize your frame. So if you want to have a certain shape, you double click. And as you can see, it produces just another point. And then you can also move this around. And you can put your image in this frame. That'll be your custom frame. Okay. You can remove the points if you want. You can remove a point if you want. So you want to remove that point. You click done. Grid column. Here you can see. Okay, that's just the grids in the back. And here you can choose from shapes if you want, and then you can manipulate those as well. But I'm going to do a custom one here. I'm going to put the point back. You do it like a boot. Okay, and when you're done, you click Add to Design. You can resize it, and then you can add an image to it. So you can go into your uploads, click on uploads, and we can click on this image and add that image to it. And there you have it. Right, and you could put anything in here. Say you don't want this image. You can delete the image. And you delete the image by clicking on it. And then the option comes up to delete the image. And say you want to put that picture in it. And you can double click to reposition. And that's it. The next app, guys, is called Slice. The next app is Slice, and I'm going to just add a page here. So you go into Apps, click on Slice. Slice makes your image look like it's cut out or scrambled. So let's add an image to work on. And I'm going to try this one. Okay, and then we're going to go back to the app Slice, and because I've used it before, it's over here on the left. Click on Slice, click on the image, click on Chipped, and as you can see the effect, and you can just play around with all of these offset, count, position. Okay, and when you guys are done, if this is something that you like, this design, then you would click Save. I'm not going to click Save right now because I'm going to show you the other options. So the next option is Sliced. You can play around with it, move it around. Okay. The next option is Minced. Move the position. And the other option is Torn. All right. As you can see. The last app is called Trippy. So let's go over here on the left. Click on Trippy. And Trippy makes your image look digital. Okay? So you click on the image that you want to apply the effects to, and you click on Radiate. And as you can see, what that looks like, it's actually pretty cool. Really cool. It's jitter, solarize. You could just play around with it. Right? And I'm going to click cancel and show you what split looks like. This is split. This is actually my favorite one. This is really cool, and you can shift the angle. This is jitter, solarize. I'm going to do cancel and show you what fluorite looks like. Jitter and solarize. That just makes it lighter or darker. And the other option is opal. Let's see what happens. Turn on solarize, right? And I'm going to click cancel and click on trace. This is kind of cool too. That's the shift amount, the shift angle, jitter, solarize. Okay, and when you're done, if you like your design, then you have to click save. Don't forget to click save, you guys. Otherwise, you'll lose your work, and you don't want that to happen. So there you have it. 5 Canva apps that can transform your designs in just a few clicks. Let me know which ones you're excited about and which ones you'll try, which ones you'll use. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.